Sell the old smartphone for payment online. You may use our cell phone buyback system to quickly and easily buy the current, used, cracked, or broken telephone. Every request takes the free business kit, there are no listing hassles, and you can take the instantaneous price quote for your cell phone business in and stay on the way to extra cash in a few easy steps. Begin by choosing the brand of the smartphone above, and then you would be able to determine the carrier, model and shape of the device. Once you complete these simple steps, you can get the instantaneous online exchange at price quote for the cell phone buyback. If you are pleased with this buyback price quote, just finish completing the online check procedure. During the process, you may ask to let you a free shipping kit or package the smartphone with your personal materials. We propose locking in the risk available price quote day as cell phone buyback costs tend to depreciate at time. About 60% of recycled cell phones get selling value as refurbished cell phones. Through Shelter Coalition's reuse system, cell phones are spread to wireless markets worldwide in demand of cheap connection. The additional 40% of recycled cell phones do not have marketing value, and are processed through the environmentally responsible processing system. Through this processing system, headphones are shredded and smelted in their metal refiner, and several metals are reclaimed back to their physical state. See their site to discover more about Shelter Treaty's sustainable practices. Another software that was initiated in the 08-09 academic year is free at the computer area, located on the second floor of the building business. The system is made available through Green Disk and is referred to as a techno-trash can. You can put the cell phone device and sell accessories at the can to be responsibly recycled or disposed of. All these rechargeable batteries and cell phones gathered through the Call to Recycle system are sent to the INMETCO recycling service at Elwood City, PA for process. These materials are divided by form. The hot recovery process reclaims the useful metals, metal, iron, cadmium, tin, and metal from these batteries and prepares them for usage in new products, e.g., new batteries and stainless steel. This procedure has been defined by the US EPA to take BDAT, best demonstrated available application, for reclaiming cadmium. Cell telephones are refurbished and resold when possible through exchange speed. Conserving the situation, cell phones include dangerous materials, e.g., lead, metal, arsenic, cadmium, and brominated flame retardants. When cell phones are hurled off and are fired, these harmful metals are released into this situation, polluting it. Even when they not fired, they turn out at the dirt, slowly contaminating food resources and the landfill. With the statistic of the new cell phone after every 18 months, so these harmful materials put up, destroying the situation even faster. With usage, these dangerous materials are recycled without polluting the situation. There is one estimated 150 million cell phones that can be substituted the year. This equals 65,000 tons of material. Cell phones have metals, plastics, arts, and include poisonous materials like brominated flame retardants and make. These chemicals are being issued into our air and land when cell phones are buried out at landfills. Recycling the cell phone is an easy process, and some of the substance from cell phones can be recycled. Samsung has now produced a cell phone made with dangerous available material and recycled plastics. Yet the material that cell phone gets in is made of recycled material and is printed on with soy ink. The cell is a cellular phone that runs within wireless cells. The cell phone is the area of radio news. Typically, cell phones may change from one cell to another without throwing the telephone. This period cell phone encompasses all compartment-based technologies: 2G, 3G, 4G amps, PCs, etc. Satellite headphones, while they represent mobile telephones, are non-cell phones. Some people do not know how cell phone usage works or where these programs are free. One method of recycling cell phones is to get the processing components of broken phones and combine them with those processing components of different old cell phones to get one ready-to-use cell phone. The rebuilt telephone will then be sent back into circulation without ever requiring new manufactured components or raw materials. Cell phones represent one of the greatest innovations in this globe. We can imagine how living could exist without cell phones. Cell phones are really convenient, it will make our connection easier. Likewise, cell phones will support us with everything, like unwinding with music, shopping the internet, chatting on social networking websites, or performing games. Regrettably, cell phones are not risk available. Utilizing cell phones involve flow of EMR electromagnetic radiation, which is a dangerous kind of life movement, is produced by modern conveniences that touch us in daily lives. These worst cases of EMR are cell telephones. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends.